asked Madani, they voted together. CA, they voted together. And still they are now saying they are fighting against each other. It is the worst kind of hypocrisy Kerala is witnessing. And therefore, our first appeal to voter is, remember that vote for CPM is vote for Congress, or vote for Congress is vote for CPM. So this is the state of affairs of Kerala politics. What the government has to answer, two questions I am raising today. Sabrimala, there stands completely exposed. While Pinarayi and Yechuri say that they are in favor of entry, their candidate Katak Surendran says that no, they are not. Clarify where you stand. You are for entry or against entry? Cases are not still withdrawn. Bindu Amoni and Rehna Fatima, those who entered into the temple with police protection, are campaigning for CPM. So on Sabrimala, they stand completely exposed. In gold smuggling case, that's the second point. In gold smuggling case, it's not just CMO's involvement. It is the CM's involvement. The principal accused has named CM and Speaker, and the State Secretary's family has received gifts. That's also all on record. Yet another point before releasing the manifesto, that what Pinarayi government has started is to hijack central government's schemes by having little modifications and take credit of it. Garib Kalyan Yojana. We have given 80 crore people of the country 8 months free ration, 40 kg of rice and 5 kgs of dal. Kerala poor people, those who have that name in the list and ration card, have all got it. 40 kilo rice for 8 months, 5 kg per month per person. If it's a family of 5, they have received 200 kg of rice free of cost. But Kerala government wants to take credit for that. So we are saying not Pinarayi, it is Modi. Karunya scheme is nothing but hijacking of Ayushman scheme. Ayushman is the largest health cover insurance offered anywhere in the world. 10 crore families, 50 crore people are assured free health care up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year. This was never heard, never done. And more than 2 crore patients have taken advantage of it. But with little modification, they have converted this scheme with central aid into Karunya scheme. So, Mr. Pinarayi, it is not you, it is Modi who has done it. There is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. More than 1,27,000 families have got the home along with toilet. With little modifications, the state government want to assert the credit. They have titled this mission as Life Mission. So Mr. Pinarayi, it is not CPM government in Kerala, it is the NDA government led by Narendra Modi which has done this. Road development. 65,000 crore rupees in this budget. All schemes are ready, but state government delays. They don't acquire land for the roads, for the Kerala development. So Mr. Pinarayi, it is not you, but it is Modi who is giving 65,000 crore rupees for road developments. 36 lakh in farmers of Kerala are receiving 6,000 rupees per year in their bank accounts. Let me tell Congress also, Rajiv Gandhi used to say that he sends 100 rupees from Delhi, but Kerala farmer receives only 15 rupees. But now Modi sends 6,000 rupees and farmer receives 6,000 rupees immediately in his bank account. This is not Pinarayi, but this is Modi. Mudra loans, 13 lakh beneficiaries in Kerala. Many of them are women. This is empowerment. They have started business. Instead of seeking jobs, they are providing jobs. This success of Mudra is not Pinarayi's. It is Modi. Last but not least, 55,000 women have received free gas connection, Ujjwala. And this is not Kerala government, but government of India. So this is attempt to hijack the credit of the scheme started by Narendra Modi. They stand completely exposed. Now we will be releasing this after I finish. Our manifesto, I went through it. It's progressive. I read the manifesto, the English version. It's dynamic, it's aspirational, it is development oriented. Kerala was waiting for such announcements. If I have to pick 10 announcements out of that, my pick is like this. Employment for at least one in every family. Employment for one at least in every family. Terrorism free Kerala. Hunger free Kerala. Legislation for Sabrimala. Monthly 5,000 rupees for a earner patient, that is who earns for the family, breadwinner, and if he becomes patient, he needs financial assistance, so 5,000 rupees he'll get every month till he comes out of and starts work again. Free laptop to high school students. Legislation on Love Jihad. 5-acre land to all landless SC and ST families. 6 free cylinders to all the BPL families. 6 free cylinders. And all over development. These are the promises made through our manifesto. So let me just sum up that the Kerala election is a mock fight between CPM and Congress. So people will choose third alternative, that is BJP. Because we stand on our own, we have principles to follow, and we have leader and the cadre all over. So voting for CPM is voting for Congress, and voting for Congress is voting for CPM. And the political violence CPM has launched, or I can say unleashed, is worst kind of political violence seen only in West Bengal and now Kerala. Kerala for so many years, and West Bengal what we have seen in last 5 years. Earlier also communist regime was there and there was political violence. So these two states where there is communist domination, where there is TMC domination, both are indulged in political violence. Kerala government, we are asking only one question: where you stand on Sabrimala? For entry or not for entry? Explain your conduct in gold smuggling case. Don't hijack central government schemes. People know, people understand who is really done the scheme and who is giving money. And manifesto, as I said, is progressive, dynamic, aspirational, development oriented. So with this, I conclude my remarks. If you have any questions on what I have said, I will definitely like to entertain.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
please.
you have said that CPM and Congress are allies and they are engaged in a mock fight. But at the same time, BJP, which is claiming to be very serious this time,
Yes.
or very serious, it has been so, has failed to file even an error-free nomination in a place like Talasheri and Guruvayur, which for BJP I think are very serious, very serious seats.
These are mistakes, technical mistakes, and these are lessons for future. Anybody else? Otherwise, we will release.
You have
Regarding
been
yes,
asking-
please, please.
You have been asking questions to the state government, but the people of Kerala is willing to ask you why these petroleum prices and gas prices is skyrocketing.
You will know, somebody will tell me what is the Kerala taxation on petrol diesel? 39 rupees.
Central share and Kerala.
No, but 39, out of that 39, how much is central and how much is, it's 20 rupees is Kerala share.
What is the price in Delhi?
That is what I am telling. Delhi government also levies.
What is the price in
See,
Calcutta?
that is what I am saying. This is not under GST.
Yeah, if it is.
So, our finance minister has said that she is ready to discuss this. But the issue is state governments are levying 40%, 30% taxes and asking us the question. Yes.
If it is 90 in Kerala and if it is the
20 Kerala and 19
but
maybe.
But you compare the price in across the country.
But across the country, state governments are levying from 20 rupees to 40 rupees on petrol, 1 liter petrol. This is the state governments are also levying more taxes than the central government.
Sir,
Yes.
so one of your senior RSS leaders, Parashankar, he alleges that you have a close connection with CPM in some of the constituencies ongoing assembly election.
No, Balashankar, I called, he is my good friend and he said he was misquoted. Or misunderstood.
But he
Once again,
repeated
reiterate the
several
extent.
No.
He repeated the same in several channels, sir.
No. But that, see, temporary outburst is not to be taken seriously.
The very next day he is reiterated his statement.
No, but now you ask him. Thank you. So we will release. That's for the name. Now, where are you?